Guys, so Nano Banana is everywhere. Now, for those that don't know, this is a Google AI tool that can help you do so many things with images. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start a one-man business with no money using Nano Banana. And this is a part 2 to the first part I made last week. So if you've not seen that video, please do well to check it to learn more about Nano Banana. So that being said, the first thing you have to do is to go on Etsy. So if you come on Etsy, you're going to look for t-shirts, and you're going to be seeing tons of designs of t-shirts. And if you notice what is going on here, you can see that a lot of designs here are about animals. It means people love wearing t-shirts that have animal pictures on them. So you're going to check for the number of sales that each of the ones you've seen have made, so you have an idea about what is actually selling and what people are looking for, so you can use it. So here I have this one that has made 18.5 thousand sales. 18.5 thousand sales, guys, and this is selling for 37.39 euros for one single piece of this shirt. So it means that people love this and it's actually going to sell. So what you're going to do is just to take a screenshot of this image with your laptop or your phone, anyone you're using. So I'm just going to crop the image, and then I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Now that I've taken a screenshot of it, the next thing I'm going to do is to upload it to Nano Banana. So for those that don't know, to get Nano Banana, you just go to Google and type Google AI Studio. So once that opens, you click AI Studio, and once it opens, you're going to see all these things. Then you're going to click on Try Nano Banana. You're going to upload that image and ask it to generate an image of a mouse on a bicycle, exactly as seen in the picture attached here. So this is the picture I attached, the one I screenshot, and then I asked it to generate. So it has generated something similar. This image is actually a painting, so it generated something similar. So I was just playing around with it. I asked it to remove the background, and it removed the background. Then I asked it to make it high quality and add a little bit of color, and I gave it the size it should give me the imaging, and also to remove the background. And here is it. So the reason why I asked it to add a little bit of color is just so that I don't copy everything exactly as it is in the place I saw it. So to avoid copying someone's work exactly as it is, you just have to make a little tweak to it. So this is what I did, and it gave me this image. So here I asked it to remove background and some other things. I asked it that I was just playing around with it, and it was just giving me the different results. So once you have gotten your image the way you like, then you're going to go to Google and look for this website, Redbubble. Now Redbubble is a print-on-demand website that allows beginners to upload images and have them imprinted on materials like t-shirts, mugs, backpacks, socks, clothes, anything at all. You can actually use your image to imprint on all those materials, and the best part is you don't need to keep any inventory. The only thing you have to do is just to create your design and upload it. Once anybody buys your design, then if it is a mug they bought, they will print the design on the mug and they will ship it to the person and give you your own commission. That is why it is called print on demand. It's only produced when there is demand for it. They will just print it and send it. So you don't need to worry. The only task is just to generate image and upload. So if you don't have any account, go to Google and look for Redbubble. So I already have an account, so that is why you're seeing this type of thing. So if you don't have any account, you can just create one. It's very simple to create, and you're going to have your account ready. But make sure to follow all the steps, because it is not easy to have your account approved and they can flag it at any time. So you have that in mind as well. So once that is done, to upload the image you want to use, you're going to come here, click on this place, and then click on Manage Portfolio. Then once that opens, you can see you can add your work here, or you can use the quick edit method. This is where you can copy the edits you've made before and use it to upload a new one. It is very fast. It allows people to upload like 5 designs in a day, so it is very easy. So once you have done that, you can either add a new work or you can quick edit. So we're going to add a new work. So we're going to upload new design, and we're going to upload this design. So here is a quick tip. If you ask Nano Banana to remove the image background, it's not going to give you something clean. Like, let me show you an example of what I mean. So as you can see, the image is removed, the background has some lines around it. I don't know if you can see it properly. You can further notice it here in this product. This is a sticker, and it shouldn't be like this. So to solve this problem, you have to take that image and upload it in a background remover website that will allow you to remove the background completely. So to do that, you're going to go to Google and look for background remover for free. So this remove.bg is a very good one. So you click on it. So you upload the image you want it to remove the background for you. So as you can see, it has finished removing the background. All you have to do is just to click download to download it. And once you have downloaded it, then you can now upload it here on Redbubble. So this is the one I uploaded by just clicking here, and you're going to see software how to upload. Like you're going to choose the image you want to upload here. So once that is done, you have to now add the title of the picture you have uploaded. Then you're going to add tags. Now tags will be just 15 tags, like you can see, and each of them will be 15 character per tag. What it means is that the characters in one tag should not exceed 50. So you separate them by comma and you describe the content of your art. So that's all you have to do. What you're going to do is just to fill out this information, and the best part is you don't need to stress. You can use ChatGPT to generate the tags and also to generate the description that is SEO friendly, so that it will give you what people are actually searching for that is related to the art you have uploaded. And once they search, your art can easily pop up for people to see and buy from you. So we're going to do that. So I asked ChatGPT to give me SEO description, and it has given me this. I'm going to copy it and paste it there. I'm also going to copy the tags. It gave me 20 tags, but I need 15 tags. So I'm going to copy 15 of this and paste it there as well. So now that I am done with this side, then we're going to take care of the product previews. So here, as you can see, this is looking blurry. That is because some of the products here are disabled. As you can see, this one is disabled, this one is disabled. So we have to enable them and edit them to make them look really nice. So what we're going to do now is to start editing. So here we'll first of all enable by clicking here to enable it. Then we'll click edit to edit it the way we want it to be. So for this one, I can choose to edit it this way by going to the scale of the image, reducing it, then making it a pattern by either making it this way or making it off grid. Anyone that I feel is nice. I think this off grid is better. Off grid is better. So I'm going to click apply, and here is how it's going to look. Then I'm going to do the same for this one as well. Edit, change the scale of the image, then choose the pattern to off grid. As you can see, this is how it's now looking. This one is sticker, so I will not really do anything to it. Then this one is phone case. I can enable it and edit it the way I want. Okay, so I have finished making the changes, enabling them and all of that. So you may be wondering why I enabled all of them. The reason is because you wouldn't know the one that someone may have their attention on and decide to buy it. Like this pin button, I don't think it's necessary, but then I just allowed it. So depending on what you want, you can disable it if you don't want it. So this is socks, this is backpacks, and this is duffel bags. So I have added the patterns, and the way it's looking quite nice. So here I'm going to select the media. Because it's a digital art, I'm going to select digital art. So if yours is a drawing, painting, or design and illustration, you can choose any of these. So you come here to the collection. So you have to make sure that your product is optimized for the customers that may want to buy them to know what actually to buy. So if you come here, you're going to click anybody, that is who can view this work. So anybody can view it. Then nudity, that is if it's something that is adult content, you can choose. So this one is not adult content, so I'm going to say no, and I'm going to agree to this Redbubble policy, whatever it is. So I'm going to agree to it, and then I'm going to save work here. All right, so while it is processing, if you've seen value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you're looking to make job application any moment soon, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that is ATS friendly, that can allow you to make customized application for each job role that you see. So if you're interested, please grab a copy with the link in the description of this video. Okay, so here is what it looks like. This is the mock-up when it's finished processing. Unfortunately, for this shirt, it's looking quite small, so I'm going to try to make sure to make it look bigger. I'll try to trace where the problem is coming from and make sure it looks bigger. So this is the sticker, this is the mouse pad, and every other thing. As you can see, for the shirts, it's actually looking really very small. This is for the gown, and this is for phone pad. All right, so this is an image of the previous one I did, just to show you a better example. So this is how it looks. This one is looking quite nice, and it is big on the shirt. So this one is looking nice. These are some of the products where they are going to be imprinted on. It's looking really very nice. So as you can see, this is how your product is going to look. Then you start attracting your customers to come and buy. Now, how can you get people to come and buy? The first thing you have to do is just to set up your social media platforms to start advertising your product. Or you can use platforms like Pinterest to start advertising your products by maybe copying these small cups and posting it there. If people are interested, they can use the link, because you're going to have the link to your store, to visit your store and make sales from you. So this is basically how you're going to do it by yourself. The best part is you don't need any other extra hand. You can do everything by yourself. You don't need to take inventory. You don't need to be stressed. So That is how these things work on print on demand. And if you have money, you can go to places like Printiful, Printify. Those ones will ask you to pay upfront if someone buys from your store, so they can process it and then later pay you back. But this one will not ask you for any money, and they will take their own cut and give you your percentage once they finish processing somebody's order. So that is how it works. So if you're looking for other ways to make money online, please do well check out this video. And if you saw value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.